Commission.
Admin, can you share your?
Have my phone.
So now, so Professor speech to RSTUV. Ruth. Hello, so let's continue. So look at that question. Everyone go to Shakira's account. So professors P2 RSTUV. Teaching history, geography, physics, chemistry, math, biology, and English. And they teach from Monday to Friday. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Guys, each professor teaches a different subject. So that's the statement you should have. Each prof teaches a different subject. So that's a good statement. And not more than 2 subjects in a day or in a day. That's a powerful statement to use. Then here are the statements you have to note. Chemistry is taught by Professor Chu on Tuesday. So that's a clear statement, stating out the days, the professor, and the subject. Then the second statement says, Professor S teaches on Friday, but that neither does not teach, or neither, neither, that means does not teach, neither geog nor physics. Yeah. Then the third statement says, Professor U teaches history. Neither teaches history, neither on Thursday nor Friday. The fourth statement, Professor P teaches English. On a day, history is taught. So when Professor T teaches English, on the same day, history will be taught. Then the other statement, Professor R teaches math on Monday. So realize this is a complete statement. It gives us the professor, the subject, and the day. Then another statement, geography and chemistry are taught on the same day. Then the final statement, Professor V teaches on Thursday. So the previous was a simple one. Here you're having three things you have to organize. You have the professor, you have the subjects, and you have the day. So you can stop sharing. Admin, stop sharing, and we do the calculations. So here are your statements. So what you do, you are going to draw like a puzzle. Yeah. So we can either say, we can put the days. Yeah. Because the subjects, the days are going to go on the subjects. So we can say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So remember, here we're going to put a subject and a professor. Now, you start from the last statement, which says Professor V teaches on Thursday. So Professor V teaches on Thursday. So what we shall do? You can start by this. Remember, where am I doing 4 tiles? You have said not more than 2 subjects can be taught on the same day. So I'm giving here for a professor and a subject. Professor and a subject. Hope you get what I've done. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Professor and his subject. Professor and his subject. So we come here. The last statement says, Professor V teaches on Thursday. Professor V, professor teaches on a Thursday. So we go for professor, here V teaches on a Thursday, but we don't know the subjects. Yeah. Then you go to the next one. Geography and chemistry are taught on the same day. Geography and chemistry on the same day, but you don't, that statement doesn't give you a correct answer. Okay, then who teaches them? Then you go to the third last. Professor R teaches math on Monday. So here's Monday. Professor R teaches math on a Monday. So teaches math. Professor R teaches math on a Monday. This is Monday. Professor R teaches math on a Monday. Hope you are getting that. So you go to the next statement. Professor P teaches English on the same day history is taught. Now here you have not yet known where history is taught, so it can't help you. You go up. Professor S teaches on Friday, but neither geography nor physics. So Professor S teaches on Friday. Here's Friday, Professor S. But neither geography nor physics. So you come here, you put here in your brackets, does not teach geography, geog, or physics. So you can put like a course to that. You shouldn't put anything like geography or physics here. Yeah. Professor S teaches on Friday, but no geography, no physics. So you can put your geog here and physics. Not the final answer, just the working, but doesn't teach them. Geog and physics doesn't teach them. Then you go. Professor Chu, chemistry, is taught by Professor Chu on a Thursday. Sorry, on a Tuesday. On Tuesday, you are teaching chemistry by Professor Chu. So you go up. Then they say, not more than 2 subjects are taught in a day. That's how I've put, this is 1, this is 2, not more than 2 subjects in a day. And they said each professor teaches a different subject. That means professor teaches a different subject. So now here, all these statements are there. Let's first list our subjects and our lecturers. We have P, Chu, R, S-T-U-V. We have our subjects. We have subjects are history, geography, physics, chemistry, math, biology, econ. Now let's first cancel out the ones that are done. R is done. Q is done. V is done. S is done. Then for subjects, math is done. And chemistry is done. I hope you are seeing this side working. So you come and read the statements from down. Professor V teaches on Thursday. It's already done. Chemistry, geography and chemistry are taught on the same day. You'll be looking if you are. So geography and chemistry are taught on the same day. Yeah. So here you have
Tukyakubuulira ssebo.
Abdul.
Nenamba ekalubye.
guys, be a little bit patient. Be a little bit patient as I reconnect the phone, Sarah's phone. Guys,
nagenda kuyayiganda
when you fail, you fail. Even if you say you result, you have
so guys, so hope you paused from where we had stopped. So so you guys, so what you so you guys, the last statement was about Professor S teaches on Friday. Neither out of the wow. Try to the one. So you list the professors PQRSTUV, then the subjects DH, physics, chemistry, math, biology, English. So you cross out the ones that you are done, you have listed. So Professor V teaches on Thursday. That is done. Geography and chemistry are taught on the same day. Remember, you had already gotten your chemistry. So that means geography is taught on the same day. But we don't know the professor. Professor R teaches math on a Monday. Professor R teaches math on a Monday. Professor P teaches English on the same day history is taught. So here we don't have English, don't have also history. Professor U teaches history. Neither on Thursday nor Friday. So we look at our subjects. If you say neither, Professor U teaches history, yeah, neither on Thursday nor Friday. So that means we'll be teaching on these subjects, on these days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. But when you look at here, Tuesday is covered with geography and chemistry. That means it's out. You remain with this and this. Remember, they have said not more than 2 subjects are taught in a day. So you have Monday, and that means here history. You cannot teach here outside. History can only be taught on Monday, all Wednesday. History. When you come back here, did they? And here they said Professor Pitt teaches English on the same day. History is taught. So first look where history is going to be taught. So now we have said history can either be taught here, Monday or Wednesday. Or Wednesday. Monday or Wednesday. So we want to know on Monday or Wednesday, where is it taught? So here we say each professor teaches a different subject. That is fine. Not more than 2 subjects are taught on the same day. Professor Chu teaches on Tuesday, teaches chemistry on Tuesday. Professor Yu teaches history, neither Thursday nor Friday. Instead of Friday. Now, when you look at here, let's come back here and look for geography, and here's geography and physics. Geography and physics are not taught. On Friday, Professor S teaches on Friday, but neither geography or physics.
Abdul.
Yes?
Can I say something?
You can say something.
Yes, so they said that English is taught on the same day as history. Yeah?
As history.
right?
No, now but the point.
Yeah, so
Now,
on Monday, and already on Monday, we have math. So
it's already covered.
yeah, it's already, yeah. So yeah, so English and history have to be on Wednesday. On a Wednesday.
Thank you for that contribution. Yeah, I was still trying to read those statements to find where. So now when you history and English have to be taught on the same day. And remember, history is either taught on Monday or Wednesday. So, and remember, history will go with English. So you cannot put it on a Monday because you already have math. So history will be on Wednesday. History will be on Wednesday. But remember, it has to go with English. English. So we look for, so here we have history is done, English is done. But now here remember, hello? Yes?
Indicate also the letters for the professors. So
Professors, they are here. The professors are here. The one I get done, I can. The table, the letters of professors are here. R, Q, H, E. These are the professors. Now, when you come back to Professor S, where is Professor S? Professor S teaches on Friday, but neither geography nor physics. Sorry, it has to be here. Subject H. So here is missing. Now remember, Professor S teaches on Friday, but neither geography nor physics. When you look at here, what you're remaining with, we have geography, physics, and biology. What will this mean? Professor S teaches biology. So biology is done. So we are remaining with physics and geography. I remain with Professor P, T, and U.
But Professor U teaches history.
Abdul,
Abdul.
you teaches history, so he's on Wednesday.
Hey, Professor U teaches history, it's here. Professor U teaches history. Here's U. So Professor U is cancelled. So we are remaining with Professor U teaches history. So I'm remaining Professor P and Professor T. And we have geography. Geography. Then Professor P, what is this? Professor P teaches English. Professor P is here. You see this? Professor P teaches English. So he's done. So we have remaining with Professor T. Professor T. Then Professor T. Where's the statement for Professor T here? It's nowhere. So that means he will be the last one to be given a number. So geography and physics. Geography is here. Geography is here and physics is here. Physics has already had the physics already there and has a lecturer, not so? It has a professor. And so we are meeting with Professor T. Now, when you look at V, Professor V teaches on Thursday. So we can either put Professor T here or here. Professor T can be here. Sorry, this is a subject. This is a subject. So there's the V. So that means Professor T goes on Tuesday. Now, which subject is missing here? Which subject is missing for Professor V? History has been given, geography given, physics given, chemistry given, math given, biology given, English. English is on Wednesday. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Professor V is missing the subject. But I've said each professor teaches a different subject. And But then they have not said that does not teaches only that subject.
I think it's physics.
It's physics. Mhm. Teaches physics.
Because
Where does
because the English is taught by Professor P on Wednesday.
Oh, I've made a mistake here. This is P. This is P. This is English. Are you seeing where I made the mistake? The numbering. Instead of
Yes.
putting English on the professor, this is P. So this will be physics. So that's our number. Have you gotten everything?
Doctor, let me ask.
No,
No.
I have not gotten how you got this biology
That
on
biology
Friday,
part.
Professor S.
Now remember, on Friday, yeah, they'll say Professor S does not teaches geography, no, does not teach geography, no physics. Now, after listing our stuff, yeah, we realized that most of the subjects had been taken up by most of the professors, and we had remained with only geography, biology, and physics with English. But remember, English, they've already told us English is taught on the same day with history. And we have realized that history was already put on Wednesday. That means English goes out and history goes out. And you remain with geography, biology, and physics. But remember, this statement has been done on Professor S that teaches on Friday, but no geography, no physics. So he has to teach biology. You got the point?
Understood. Thank you.
So members, that's how the process has gone by. Let me go to the chat, leave my contacts, both contacts. You can WhatsApp me, then I include you in the WhatsApp group. So here's the WhatsApp number. And the one who's recording will share the video in the group.
Okay.
8214. 40, that's the WhatsApp. You've gotten that. Then my MTN.
Pardon the number.
0703.
He has put it in the chat.
I'll put in the chat. 0703